31 total reps completed, 30 counted. Beautiful.
Yes, Miller.
Yeah, take them off, baby.
Take your pants off, buddy. Take your pants off. Whoa. What is he doing?
My balls was hot.
Oh my God, your dick is huge.
Oh shit! In the real show begins.
Why? Now, is your YouTube on, by the way? I'm getting a slight echo. Is there another? Do you have two windows open, Gavin? No? Okay.
No.
I've worked out so hard to where the music is overstimulating me and I have to turn the music off right away, or I'm starting to tingle in my head or some weird shit. I'm having some weird physiological effects, but I've never been like, hey, I have to take my pants off. but I clearly recognize that there's something going on. And do you have any explanation for this? Have you ever seen guys do that? Just want to start just taking their clothes off?
Definitely taking shirts off.
Yes.
Not so much pants, because we train with males and females at the UFC. So I'm imagining even in that moment, they understand that might not be appropriate. But I definitely think it's probably to do with something along the lines of the central nervous system just being fried, and they're like, it's like that whole fight or flight response, and they don't know what to do, and so that's just that cooling mechanism to take the pants off. But yeah, thankfully we haven't had to deal with that at the gym at the UFC Performance Institute.
And you have to imagine that Derek's core temp must skyrocket.
For sure, very quickly as well, and that was a pretty tough bout for him as well. So yeah, he would have been overheating for sure.
I wonder if it's some sort of like evolutionary mechanism. Like, I mean, I'm grasping at straws here, but like, hey, you can't let the testicles get so hot because it starts killing the sperm. Or like if your genitalia do, I mean, you have more sweat glands down there. At least it seems like that. Like when we work out, it seems like it's your armpits, my chest, and you know, around my cock and balls and my anus that are just dumping.
Well, that's what they say when you're in the ocean, when it's there's a concern for hypothermia. The armpits, the head, and the groin region is what you've got to keep the warmest. And as soon as that gets cold, that's when hypothermia kicks in. So you're probably onto something there.
Wow. Armpits, groin,
and head.
Yeah.
Keep
My
them
kids
warm and you can
recently.
survive.
My kids just recently started surfing, and one of the guys was out there wearing a hood the other day, and he said the difference is unreal.
Oh, for sure. It's like a bad ice cream headache when you're surfing without that hoodie in the cold water. It's a big difference. I certainly felt a difference when I lost my hair.